Okay, the door is open, which goes to our deck. Oh man, this is cool. Yeah, we'll definitely have a fire.
Here we go.
Back to gravel. About another 20 clicks.
All these boulders.
So this is the main gravel road, and this is the turnoff for our place. Oh, lovely. Would have never taken this in the van, I don't think. Tires are too small.
Yeah, we need a tow truck to get up here.
Especially this part right here. It's Gully Gully. Oh man. And right into the sun, no less. Okay.
Continuation. This is the good part. Still bouncy bouncy. And there's our palace with our own electric.
Here we are at our built into the side of the mountain Pump House Cottage. It goes to the left instead of the right. Okay, the door is open, which goes to our deck. Oh man, nice. Look, oh, this is cool. Yeah, we'll definitely have a fire. Oh,
Oh, this is the bed.
this is the bedroom. Oh man, rustic. This is our rustic kitchen. 2-burner stove. And some pans. We got our own, so that's okay. Little bar fridge. Vivian spraying, thank goodness. Turn on the light, honey, so we get better video. And the bed where I make her a happy woman.
Where's the light?
And aircon. So it's a studio. Turn it on, I believe. See the box over there on the left?
I thought it's a mirror. I was looking at myself. No, there's no me. It's a window from the back.
The back into the mountain.
And here's a
You like your kitchen, honey? we have our own pans, but it's outside. That's why we're here. Ah, Blizzard. This is our view, though. It's $40 a night. That's the main area where the campground is. So we're far from everything, which is fantastic. As they say on the weekends, it gets rowdy. This view is magnificent. It's our own transformer. And those aren't vineyards, that's citrus. And so what is under this view here? It's a tub that you would need to fill and clean. Maybe during the drought here, we're not supposed to use it like in many tubs and hotels. But the braai, the fireplace for the braai, with its tongs and a tiny bit of what I wanted, kindling, but it's only cardboard. Look at that, a coal burnt right through the floor there.